Hi. When you're doing mechanical work, this is a must. This drill has served me well, but of course drilling by hand, especially into steel, is no good. So this one has also served me well. Costs 20 bucks or 200 Norwegian kroners. You just mount your drill here like this, and it helps you drilling. I can really recommend this. It's much better than to just hold the drill by hand. Here you have some support, but of course the travel here is 45 millimeters. So just removing the drill bits and putting in a new one, you need to release it because you normally have no space under here. Yeah, I've used this for a couple of years, and I think it's time to step up the game. So I bought this one. A bench drill, finally. It is quite heavy and quite big. It's the biggest model I can find from this store. The maximum height of the drilling from the top bottom is, I think, around 30 centimeters. A bit more than the 4.5 centimeters I had on the old one. Let me show you some of the specifications before we crack this box open. There you got it. Let's read on the package. It has a laser, quick change chuck, maximum drilling distance 31 centimeters actually, and fully adjustable table. It runs on 230 watts, 550 watts. It's a variable speed, up to 16 millimeter size on the drill bits. It's 39 kilos and the noise level 89 decibel. And of course, throw this in the recycling bin. Oh crap. Okay, here are some handlebars, the instruction manual. Probably smart to read that one. This is the foot, I suppose, and I guess this is a table. Yeah. No plastic. And let's remove this one. Voila, here the machine is. You have some protection gear. This is the arm. Okay, I think I'll put the box on the floor and take all the pieces and put them on the table. Not too many parts in total. The assembly shouldn't be too hard. It's more like you have the foot, you have the table, and you have the arm. So it's really just some few parts to put together. So far, all the parts looks nice. Looks to be heavy duty and quite strong. Of course, this one, it's plastic. I would like to see this one in metal as well. All the other parts are in solid metal. And I thought one piece was missing, but of course it was there. It was the shock. And this one seems also to be okay. From my small experience with this kind of machines, I can't really tell, but it seems solid. And I guess This one is going in here, and this one is going like this. I can't feel any play, it seems solid. I have a closed bearing here, so it seems tight and nice. And there is a light bulb. It wasn't really firm, but I actually included a light bulb, not clean, but anyway. So actually there was only one screw because there were nowhere to put the second screw, and that means now it's so tight as possible. Yeah, it's a bit better, but it's wobbling. So I found a bracket going up on the inside. If it had been 2 centimeters longer, they could have a second screw hole, because now it, to mount something with just one screw, no, that doesn't impress me much. Okay, no more time to fiddling around with the light bulbs and missing screws that wasn't actually missing. Let's take a look at the user manual. Yeah, it looks fine. Have some assembly instructions here, and I guess I feel it's almost like cheating to try to assemble it using the manual. Maybe we can try without it. So this is the foot, and then I suppose this one goes on top here. Tighten it here, it seems very solid. I'm not really sure if this mechanism is useful, but I guess it is. It gives some extra support. Also need one of this under here. I think I'll put it on the floor. This isn't really that heavy. Like this. I guess we're going to use this one. It looks like centered, and then tighten this here and probably this one as well. I'll try to put it here. I guess I can't use this for my hoses anymore. So you might want to get help from a friend doing this. So, what do you think? Okay, well, yeah. This table isn't the most sturdy one. Now the wheels are locked. It didn't help much. So maybe I should have a more permanent table for this. But I guess this one, let me check. I can see a problem here. Yeah, it's a bit too tight here. Oh, this won't work. And probably a bit high as well. Okay, I guess I need to reconstruct. I think I need to lower the table so I get more room. Get it down. I need to make some adjustment here to my table situation. Yeah, that's all I had time for tonight. So I continue another day rebuilding the location table situation here and testing it, of course. Okay, I'll post a follow-up video testing it, and yeah, the price in Norwegian kroner 2,900, around $300, I guess. This company, they have actually 3 models. They have a small one, a medium, and a big one, and this is the largest. And these are new machines just arrived in the store. So hopefully this can give some useful input to you if you are considering to buy something like this. So, see you later.